Hello, today we are going to sing a song that I taught to your friends of Infantil last week that is called The Rain is Falling Down. Okay, but I'm going to put here the video de com ensenyar-vos la primera veu, però vosaltres, que aneu a primer i a segon, aneu a fer-ho en 2voices. És a dir, el vídeo estarà dividit en dos. En una hi seré jo fent la cançó que aneu a veure ara, i en una altra anem a fer una segona veu, val? Elegiu una de les dues pantalletes i l'heu de cantar escoltant l'altra al mateix temps sense liar-vos. Ah, que guai! Okay, are you ready? So, the one minute. Okay, second voice of that. Rain, 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 again, rain, 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 rain. Yes. Now, the song, the first voice. Yeah? The rain is falling down, the rain is falling down. Pitty-patter, the rain is falling down, the rain is falling down, rain is falling down. Pitty-patter, rain is falling down. Yes? So the idea is put all together. The rain is falling down, rain is falling down. Pitter-patter, rain is falling down. The rain is falling down. The rain is falling down. Pitter-patter, rain is falling down. Yes, you got it. Very well.